Hey Hamalodians, welcome to Hamaloded YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review and explain in detail all the A plus setups I am watching out for on all the 7 currency pairs on my watch list for the week. If you want to enjoy our free weekly profitable signal, kindly join our official Telegram channel via the link in this video description. And if you enjoy this, go and click on the like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification button so that you can be the first to get notification when next we upload another exclusive forex video tutorial. As a professional price action trader, you don't have to waste your time, struggle for a long period of time before you get it right. All you have to do is to find a profitable forex blueprint formula that you can stick to all the time, that you can use all the time to analyze the market over and over. Now, here I present to you guys this profitable forex blueprint formula that you can use all the time whenever you want to analyze the market. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to waste your time going to long distance journey before you get it right. Now, here are the 4 steps that I use whenever I open my trading view, or before I do anything, before I analyze the market. I have to observe these 4 blueprint formulas. The first one is to establish the market structure. The second one is to find the recency key level and the entry system. The last on the list is to define my exit zone where I want to take my profit. So let's start with this currency pair, USDJPY market. Looking at the market structure on 4 hours time frame, you understand that USDJPY is bearish, right? We start from here, price is giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And whenever market is forming this pattern in the market, that shows that the sellers are the one dominating the market. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. Whenever you find this certain pattern or this particular pattern, just keep on looking for sell opportunity. Or whenever price is forming this pattern, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, that is a sign that what the buyers are the one ruling the market. And what you have to do as a professional price action trader is to keep on looking for buy opportunity in the market. But in this price action on 4 hours time frame, you agree with me that this guy is bearish market, right? Now, and if you draw your downtrend line, you will understand that this is a valid downtrend line. Downtrend line system, whereby we're having first touch here, then we're having second touch around this zone here, right? And if you check the historical market condition, you will agree with me that this price action has invalidated the uptrend line. That is another confirmation that we are back to bearish market. We are back to bearish market on 4 hours time frame, right? Now, this uptrend line has been invalidated like few weeks ago, right? Now, the next step on using our loaded forex blueprint formula is recency key level. After we have determined our sentiment, our market sentiment, then the next thing that we have to do is to establish our key level zone. Remember, this place was serving as a support zone before. Then if you share the historical market condition, you understand that this also was serving as resistance like January this year, right? Can you see multiple rejection around this zone here? multiple rejection. Then when it got to this place, now serving as support, right? Now looking at this current market condition, you will agree with me that this guy has taken out this support here. Now we are now having a resistance. So it has taken out the support, now turned to broken support, turned to what? Resistance here. Taking it out, then what we are expecting is for price to give us a pullback or a retracement around this zone here so that we can take a sell opportunity to the downside, right? Now, the next step on the list is our entry system. So what we have to do is to go to our 30-minute time frame or 1 hour time frame. It depends on the time frame. It depends on the time frame. We can sometimes we use 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes for entry. So what we're expecting is price to give us a pullback or a retracement phase like this back around this key level zone here. The moment the price reach this zone here, then what we'll be looking at for is our bearish reversal candlestick pattern. And what are the bearish reversal candlestick pattern? These are candlestick patterns that represent the presence of sellers at our point of interest where we want to sell the market. And they are bearish engulfing, shooting star, angima, tweezer top, dark cloud, uh 3D black soldiers, so many bearish reversal candlestick pattern that we can use. So whenever we spot any of these bearish reversal candlestick pattern and the zone, then what we execute our trading system without hesitation. Then we place our stop loss. Then the last on the list is our exit system. So we are going to exit our position or close our position at this support zone here. So we are targeting this support zone here as our final take profit level. If we don't have a pullback here, there's nothing we can do. We allow the market to keep on selling. But we need a pullback or retracement phase for us to sell around this zone as a result of bearish candlestick patterns showing the presence of sellers around this zone here so that we can sell around this zone here to this zone here. That is the market sentiment on USD JPY market for the week. The next currency pair on my watch list for the week is GBPCAD, British pound against Canadian dollar. And if you look at the price action condition on daily time frame of GBPCAD, you will agree with me that this market is bullish market, right? The buyers are the one dominating this market, whereby we're having higher high, higher low, then higher high. Price is kind of giving us a pullback or retracement phase before the continuation of this bullish sentiment, right? Now, as a result of that, being able to establish the structure on the daily time frame to understand the overall movement of the market. Now, the next thing we have to do is to identify our recency key level zone here, and this space is serving as our support zone around this zone here. So we are expecting this market to give us a pullback at this zone here, then so that we can take a buy opportunity, or we wait for this price action to break out of this resistance zone. Whether we have something like this, a breakout of this resistance zone, then wait for a pullback here, then we take a buy opportunity. Now, the third step is to use our entry system by using our reversal candlestick pattern. Since we are in a bullish market here, the reversal candlestick pattern that we will be watching out for are bullish engulfing, white marubuzo, 3 white soldiers, tweezer bottom, inverted hammer, or we inverted hammer, or we can also use hammer as well. whenever we spot this bullish reversal candlestick pattern at our point of interest, is a sign that the buyers are trying to dominate the markets. So this is very simple. Then the next one is to use our exit system by targeting the next key level zone after we have executing our system. Is to target the next key level zone here. So if we are buying from this zone here, and then this is going to be our take profit zone here. This resistance zone is going to be our take profit zone here. So if we are taking a buy opportunity after the breakout of this resistance, then this place is going to be our target. The next resistance zone is going to be our exit zone. Or if price is coming down to this zone here, then this place is going to be our target. So we are going to execute our position around this zone here, then we target this place. So this resistance is going to be the first take profit zone, while this place is going to be our second take profit zone on GBPCAD. The next currency pair on my watch list is EURJPY. Looking at daily chart of EURJPY, you agree with me that this market condition is bearish, right? Looking at the structure, remember the first step is to establish the market structure to guide us the decision that we want to make in the market. Right now, the market was in a bullish condition for like 4 or 2 weeks ago, whereby market formed higher low, higher high. The market took out this recent higher low during this bullish market condition here. Now we're not having a lower low market, so we're expecting a pullback to give us a lower high for the continuation of the bearish movement. So the next step is to establish our recent key level. And where is the recent key level around this zone? We have recent key level zone here, then we have recent key level zone around this place here now. So the next thing that we're anticipating is to wait for this price action to give us a pullback or a retracement phase, so that we can take a sell opportunity around this zone here, or price should give us a pullback here so that we can take a sell opportunity. And if we're executing our position around this zone here, then this place is going to be our take profit zone here. The next support here is going to be our take profit zone. The next support is going to be our take profit zone after executing around this zone here. This is very simple. The most important thing is establish the market structure. Once you're able to establish the market structure, then watch out for the recent key level, the recency key level zone here. Then we have this, then we have this, then we have this, right? So after that, then entry system by using our reversal candlestick pattern. There are two types of reversal candlestick pattern. Then we have bearish reversal candlestick pattern and bullish reversal candlestick pattern. It depends on your on the current market sentiment. If we are selling, then we have to watch out for bearish reversal candlestick pattern. If we are buying, then we have to watch out for bullish reversal candlestick pattern. The next market pair on my watch list is USD Swiss franc, USDCHF. Looking at the price action condition on daily time frame here, you agree with me that this market is bearish, whereby we have a bearish pattern condition here, lower low, lower high, then we have lower low around this zone here. And another confirmation is that the uptrend line here has been taken out, right? That's another strong confirmation that this market is bearish, right? Now the next step is to find the recency key level zone, whereby we have our recency key level zone here, and then we also have another one around this zone here. These are the two areas that we are watching out for this market condition to give us opportunity to sell the market. Now the third step is to watch out for our entry system. Now, looking at this zone here, we are waiting for this market to give us a pullback here so that we can take a sell opportunity, or a pullback here so that we can take another sell opportunity. Remember, we also have another downtrend line around this zone here. So there is tendency for this price to give us a pullback to come and tap this trend line third time for sell opportunity. And if we're able to execute our trade system around this zone here, or our position around this zone here, then the next support is going to be our final take profit zone. This is simple as ABC. You don't need to stress yourself. Just follow this easy for blueprint formula to have a profitable system that can sustain you in this market for a long period of time. The next currency pair on my watch list is GBP US dollar, British pound against USD. Looking at the price action on 4 hours time frame, you agree with me that this current market condition is bearish on 4 hours time frame, right? Whereby price is forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, what we are anticipating this week is price should continue this bearish movement, whereby to continue the pattern lower low, lower high, lower low. Or if that did not happen, then we're expecting this market to take out this lower high here during this bearish market condition, then give us a pullback so that we can take another buy opportunity to continue the bullish sentiment. Now, the next thing that we have to establish our recency key level zone here. Now, looking at this price action, that you are agreeing that we have a support zone here, and then we have resistance zone here, right? So two things must happen. It's either price give us a continuation pattern, then we wait for a pullback here, then we take sell opportunity, or we wait for price to break out this resistance zone to invalidate this recent lower high during this bearish market condition, then we wait for a pullback here, then we watch out for buy opportunity around this zone, and then we target the next resistance zone here. So if you are taking a buy opportunity, this space is going to be our take profit zone here. But if we are targeting a sell opportunity, this space is going to be our take profit zone here. So this is what we're anticipating. Either of these two system or two setups is going to work out. Set up price, break out to the upper side, then we wait for a retest around this zone, and then we take a buy opportunity, or wait for price to break this support zone here to continue this bearish pattern continuation movement, or we wait for this retest here so that we can take a sell opportunity. This is very simple. Just follow this easy blueprint formula to guide your weekly market analysis. The last pair on my watch list is EURJPY. Looking at the present market condition on EURJPY, you agree with me that EURJPY is back to bullish market condition, whereby for like 2 weeks ago it was bearish, whereby price was giving us equal low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But last week during the NFP market took out all the highs here, the recent lower high here, which that changed the market condition to bullish market sentiment. Now this week, now we are only watching out for buy opportunity on EURUSD. And for another confirmation, you agree with me that this downtrend line has been invalidated, right? That is another confirmation that our bullish sentiment is correct, right? So the next thing is to establish our recency zone here, whereby we're anticipating for buy opportunity. These are the two key level zones that we're anticipating, so that if this guy is going to retrace back to this support zone here, then we look for buy opportunity, or a retracement back to this second key zone here, then we watch out for buy opportunity. And if we are executing our trade ideas around this zone here, then this zone is going to be our take profit zone here. The resistance zone is going to be our take profit zone. This is very simple. Just follow this blueprint formula all the time. Please kindly click the subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification so that you can be the first to receive our next exclusive video tutorial. Supporting us to do these three things will help YouTube to recommend our exclusive video to other people and boost our YouTube channel algorithm. And if there's any trading system that you want us to do the video tutorial, you can notify us in the comment section. See you next time.